thus far our painting has been broad brush strokes, but now we're going to shift gears and go down to the detail side of the painting. And that's going to be with a very small round brush, which we're going to fill in these dog tags. Every doggy should have them. This is very much more in terms of like finesse detail work than things we've done so far. Try to make sure that your painting's staying within the basic shape of the circular object here. Does not have to be perfect, but you shouldn't have big squiggles going out over the gray either. Continue to apply this around. And then once you've filled this in, we're then going to take and apply some Radiant Lemon to it. With this Radiant Lemon, we're going to go around the outside. What does this do? It makes the tag more interesting in terms of there being a bit of a light source. For starters, after you've applied the Radiant Lemon, again with the same brush, take some burnt sienna, and then we're going to use the burnt sienna as the little metal fixer here. If the paint's too dry, just apply a little bit of media. These are a bunch of little brushes, but it'll make a big difference later on. We're painting these in now because the fur is going to be coming out towards the viewer in tufts and curls, and it'll partially hide these dog tags.